So what do we have? We have this tree element called AB. So for each AB, and we printed it out successfully, we said Corey Dickerson is an AB. So for each AB, let's do this. Let's say pitches. What we want is the pitches inside that at bat. And again, that is a tree element. I want to say pitches equals AB.findAll, and the element name is pitch. Let's verify that. So within the at bat, you've got pitch, pitch, pitch. So there's pitch, pitch, and pitch. So that should get us all the pitches. And once again, that's a XML tree element. And let's just do this. Let's just print pitches and see if it works. So there we go. Now, pitches in this case, because I didn't go into and get any of the individual elements, pitches is the entire element itself, but I just wanted to make sure that we're getting what we think we're getting. So let's comment that out. Not particularly useful except to tell us we're on the right track. And now say for P in pitches, well, let's do this. Let's say for pitch in pitches. Let's not get too terse here. Let's put our semicolon in that time. And we'll say the at-bat pitch count equals at-bat pitch count plus 1. So let's keep our running total of the pitches as we root through them. And let's say total pitch count, which we established earlier. Yes, we did. At 0. Total pitch count also equals total pitch count plus 1. And let's say the verbose pitch equals our pitch. Now we can also use the tab here, but I don't do enough. But you notice after I type PIT, hit the tab and it gives me the word pitch dictionary out of the list. And let's say that that is pitch dot get, and let's see what they called it. So within the pitch element there is pitch type. So this is our 4-seam fastball. So we want, let's go ahead and just grab it. And we want to get pitch type. Okay. So that's going to be our verbose pitch. And as always, let's go ahead and see if we're where we think we are by printing. Slide that over a little bit, and we'll concatenate the string, because if we try to use AB pitch count, which we know is a number, it's going to complain that we're concatenating that. As a Java, C++, long-time guy, I don't know why they can't just cast it for us, but and let's put a colon in there, and then we're going to add the verbose pitch count, verbose pitch, and then again we're going to use the color that we've established, either the green or yellow, as it was established by the top or the bottom of the inning. So let's run that. Once again we get an error, and the reason is we're using the color. We're using term color without calling the function. So really what we want is we want this string, which is concatenated together, and we want this color. Now we're not going to set any attributes, but let's see if that runs. And string is not callable. AB pitch count. There's AB pitch count. Did we establish AB pitch count? Yeah, we established it right there. So we got, once again, pilot error, colored, and there we go. Okay, so now let's push this over a little bit, because remember we pushed the other one over. Let's push it over a couple more and run it so they all get subordinated. And the only thing that I don't think is not working here is AB pitch count is not incrementing like I think it should, because that should be the pitch within the at-bat. So once again, pilot error, AB pitch count with an N in there. Let's try it again. And now we got it. So there's pitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 to Corey Dickerson. 1 pitch to Barnes. 5 pitches to Tulowitzki. So there we go. So we're all the way down into the details of the pitches at this point.